Hi guys, this is Kimberly Dixon with Joyful Living with Kimberly Dixon. I have a major question for you. Have you ever ordered anything from Amazon and then by the time it arrived you have completely forgotten what it is that you ordered? So that is precisely what I have done. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of, I don't know what it is. So here's the box that I received from Amazon. There's a famous little smile. Came on yesterday, and we're going to figure out what's in this box. Lord. Apparently it's got tape on it and glue. Now I remember. This is a COMLIFE hand fan. It is a little handheld fan. And I purchased this so that I could use it when I'm out by the pool. It actually is a fan that has a misting ability, if you could see the mist coming from the picture there. And the card inside says, "Dear customer, thank you for choosing COMLIFE. Hope you enjoy this product. We are always looking forward to receiving any words from you to make our products and service better, and all the feedback we receive goes straight back to our product developers. If you have any problems or need any help from us, please contact us via comlife-service@outlook.com and then a couple of other email addresses. If you are satisfied with our products and service, please do us a favor to share it by writing a review on Amazon. Appreciate you a lot for your support." I think they left a word out. It's like, because that's not what that actually reads. So I was like, what is it that they're trying to say? But if you want to know the latest product information, get exclusive huge discounts, or win some really nice free products from us, you're welcome to contact us via the following ways: Facebook, www.facebook.com/COMLIFE. And thanks again for your trust and support. Best wishes, COMLIFE. So let's see what we have here in the box. Here is a USB plug. So apparently it's chargeable. Well, that's great, though, so that you could take it away from wherever you're going. And here's the little water bottle, because as I said earlier, it is a misting fan. Here is a stand so that you don't actually have to hold it. So I could imagine that'll be very convenient. It just simply attaches to the fan. And the fan came folded, but it was easy to unfold. And it actually fits perfectly into your hand if you're holding it, because it has a contoured handle. And it appears to be made very well. It's sturdy. There's the little water tank. So it doesn't hold a whole lot of water, but if it's just misting, I imagine that will serve your purposes. This will be great by the pool. So what I'm actually going to do is try it out a few times. I'm going to use it at home. There's the tab to put the water into the reservoir tank. I'm going to try it out at home. I'm actually going to take it to the pool with me and use it outside to see how much relief and cooling down it actually does. So, and then I'll come back with you and give you a review of the product. But that's all that's in the box. There's an instruction manual that shows you how to clean the water tank and how to empty it out and things of that nature. It has an LED light that is going to be visible on the power button is on the side. The light is on the front. Oh, and actually it's already charged. Makes a slight sound, but not very much at all. Feels really nice. So I imagine that when it's misting you, it's going to be even better. But there's the little LED light. I don't know if you can see that that's actually lit up. Let me turn that on. Oh, that's different speeds. That's high. And that's off. So yeah, I'm thinking I'm going to like this. So that's low, medium, and high, and off. And so I'm gonna give it a try for a few days and see exactly how to use it. And I'll come back with you guys and let you know what I think about this fan. But from what I can see so far, I'm liking it. I'll get it assembled and come back to you guys and let you know what I think of this misting fan that I got from COMLIFE. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you for watching Joyful Living. Bye-bye.